Welcome to Kigali-Engineers-College.
Welcome fellows of KC as well as Kigali-Engineers-College. So we are going to talk about how you can install an espresso machine. You see it is the new one. It have the different parts. So here we have some tools we are going to use. There is a cutter plier, adjustable spanner and a screwdriver as tools, and also there is materials to have adapter and the flexible hose for connecting the pipeline to supply the water inside our espresso machine. So let's start. So welcome, we are going to install the espresso machine with two groups. See it here. This is the plug, electrical power supply plug, and also this is where the water supply comes from. So where we connect our flexible, then supply water to our espresso machine. Adjustable spanner and adjustable wedge. So there are some materials we will use: flexible cable, stainless steel nickel, and this water valve, which have two ways of supplying the water. And also you see you have to supply the water where we connect this sink and coffee machine. So you see there is the boiler, and also you see this is the water supply flexible. It's connected to the pump. This is the electric pump. So now this is the drainage of water connected in this container, and to the outside go through this pump. You see we finish done the water supply. So after we are going to plug in and we will see how it works.
It's caught in the crossfire. It's caught.
So you see this is the pressure indicator. The way the temperature increase, the way the pressure increase, you see it rising. It means that our boiler is just boiling the water until the maximum. So we see we finish installing our machine. This is the button for power off. You see is power off, and also you can switch on. So you can, because you have the pump, you can use the container of the water. Instead of you want to displace it another place, you disconnect it from the van and you put in the container of the water and drainage. And also this is the steaming controller. Just open. See? Also this one. If you want to make some coffee command, so like double, you press on double. You just wait. You see the water flowing up. There is no water filter, but we will put in it after the cup. We put the cup below and also allow this hot water
are flowing through the water filter and going to the cup. Wait for the end of the command. And also if you want, you press it again. And if you want to clean, you press it for cleaning. Yeah, same as like here. Hot water. This button is for bring the hot water. So you see the temperature gauge. So I hope you get the something. Thank you.